What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Let there be light. Alright, so this is a 17, 38,000 miles, and something very big is missing. No downpipe. If you guys saw my 19 video removing the turbo, you pretty much know how you can get to this point. Cowl's got to come off, fender liner's got to come off, and a lot of other malarkey, and that boy is heavy. So that last video pretty much ended there. We need to go a little further because this one we're replacing. So once you get it off the vehicle, obviously what we're going to have to do is flip her over. You can hear how heavy that sucker is. Damn! Okay, so we're going for these 3 Torques that, by the way, are one-time use only. And let's take a look at the filter. Shall we? Shall we, ladies? Here we go. Filter. Let's shine a light through it. Okay, it looks pretty clean and clear. I am gonna say that metal is not present. So we're just gonna put that aside. We're not gonna reuse that. We got a new one coming. I'm gonna go ahead and let me lose this extension. Okay, gonna rip them out. Okay, probably can just pull the pedestal right off. Got one gasket in between. Not reusing that. But we gotta turn it in for warranty. But I forgot to say off the beginning, why we were replacing this turbo. We had a P259F and a P132B. Both those pinpoint tests, both those DTCs and KA pinpoint tests led to replace a turbo. So I should have said that right in the beginning. So, all right, well, let's get the new turbo on here, and we're going to start throwing some new stuff on it. Okay, new turbo. Here we are. Gonna flip her over here on the old clean cardboard. I've already went ahead and brake cleaned the pedestal and scotch braided both sides, so we're totally clean. Let's get a gasket. Gasquito. Turbo pedestal gasket. We'll just go ahead and set that on. Oops. Looking through the camera here. There we go. There we go. Okay, all them holes line up. Now we're going to put the pedestal. It's only going to go on one way. And now we need to get bolts. Bolties. 3 bolts. Alright, I'm gonna just run these down. I'm gonna do a final torque to it. Gotta be 15 foot-pounds and then an additional 120 degrees. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, now that we're torqued, now we gotta put in the filter. 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 Okay, we're just going to go ahead and drop her in. Kind of snug putting it in, no problem. That's pretty much it. Just going to take all these protective caps off. And going to get the turbo reinstalled back onto the engine. Not looking forward to it. It did come with a new VGT. That's where the oil line used to go, but that's now since been deleted. We just have a coolant line, which I am replacing because getting the line out of the turbo, it sometimes gets bent up, so I just wind up replacing the line when I do the turbo. But we got everything pretty much prepped, ready to go for turbo installation. I'm sorry on this 2018, not 17. I screwed everything up, but I know you guys won't mind. All right, tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section below. If anybody's ever had to rebuild their 6.7 turbo on a bench. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next Friday. Number 1, baby. I want a 6.7.